How can I switch between multiple Instagram accounts on different devices?
Hello, Instagram enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to guide you through how to switch between multiple Instagram accounts on different devices. This is particularly handy if you're managing multiple accounts for personal use, businesses, or different projects.
Why do I need multiple Instagram accounts?
There are various reasons why someone might need multiple Instagram accounts. Some people have personal accounts, business accounts, and maybe a fun, hobby account. Managing all these accounts can seem daunting, but Instagram allows you to switch seamlessly between your different accounts.
How can I add additional Instagram accounts?
Before we can switch between accounts, we need to add these accounts to our Instagram app. Here's how you do it. 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. 2. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the lower right corner. 3. Tap the hamburger menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the upper right corner. 4. Tap Settings at the bottom of the screen. 5. Scroll down and tap Add Account. 6. Enter the username and password of the account you want to add. Repeat these steps for all the accounts you want to add. Remember, Instagram allows you to add up to 5 accounts.
How can I switch between these accounts?
Now that you've added your accounts, let's learn how to switch between them. 1. Again, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. 2. Tap your username at the top of the screen. 3. You'll see a drop-down menu with a list of all your added accounts. 4. Simply tap the account you want to switch to. Voila! You're now using your chosen account.
Can I switch accounts on different devices?
Yes, you can. Once you've added accounts to your Instagram app, these accounts are linked to your main account, not your device. This means that you can switch between your Instagram accounts on any device as long as you're signed in with your main account. Simply follow the switching steps from Section 3 on your other device. Managing multiple Instagram accounts need not be a chore. With Instagram's easy switching feature, you can navigate between personal, business, and other accounts smoothly. We hope this video guide has been helpful in managing your Instagram presence across multiple devices. Happy Instagramming!